a little pooling of water here, okay? Pooling of water that's disappearing very fast means that I don't have a protectant on there. There are some companies that were selling sprays that you put on the record so that your record lasts, 100, 200 cycles or whatever. So there's no coating on this record. This is, and by the way, you can see here just by looking at it, that the record now is getting virtually dry. People say, how come you don't have a drying system with your ultrasonic? When I remove whatever you did with your cleaning system, whether it be a hand cleaning or machine or whatever, I remove that. The release agent now is coming off. Then I basically have a record that comes out virtually dry when I've stripped all that out. And by having it virtually dry, there's no cleaning. I don't have to blow air on it to bring more dust on the record, or I don't have to suck the water off with vacuum, which then creates static on the record. So this is showing that my process is moving, because before we had more water just before. So I'm going to put this back here, and I'm going to recharge the record again. There we go. Move this around. Now, if you take a look here, you'll see that there's a little grease here. See that? There's like a greasy area coming out. That's what the ultrasonic softened in the previous 5-minute cycle. So now we're bringing to the surface whatever was in the groove. Okay, do the other side. There we go. Now, typically when I do this between cycles, here you see there's a little more grease showing up. So that's what's coming out. That's the release agent that's being attacked by the ultrasonic. There we go. Just remove the water there so that it looks.
Did you do both sides?
Yeah, I did both sides.
Sorry,
Yes,
I missed that.
Yep. There we go. Okay, good. So again, now we're attracting the effect of cavitation on the surface. Now we have nothing on the surface because he hasn't put any cleaning agents that were vacuum or air dry. So we're actually working the release agent.